Thinking about switching to Mint Mobile Home Internet to save some money? It might be a great deal, but only if your location works in its favor. Unlike traditional cable or fiber internet, Mint Mobile Home Internet runs on T-Mobile's 5G network. That means there's no technician visit, no cable installation, and setup is usually as simple as plugging in a gateway device and connecting your devices. The biggest reason people consider it is the price. For many households, it can cost significantly less than traditional internet services, making it an attractive option for anyone trying to lower their monthly bills. But here's the catch. Your experience depends heavily on local 5G coverage. If you live near a strong tower, speeds can be surprisingly good for streaming, browsing, and even online gaming. On the other hand, weaker coverage or network congestion can lead to slower and less consistent performance. Another thing to keep in mind is reliability. While wireless internet has improved a lot, it's still generally less predictable than fiber connections. That's not a problem for everyone, but it's worth considering if you work from home or rely on a very stable connection. So, is Mint Mobile Home Internet worth it? If you're looking for an affordable alternative to cable and have strong 5G coverage in your area, it could be a smart option. But if fiber internet is available and reliability is your top priority, fiber will likely remain the better choice. At the end of the day, Mint Home Internet is one of those services that can be excellent for some users and frustrating for others. It really comes down to your local signal quality. If you enjoy honest reviews like this, HM Advisor has plenty more coming.